Heyo, boss, and welcome back. We hope everyone's having a great Halloween season. We know we are. So today's chef has another mac and cheese dish. We're so excited. We love putting these out for you in the fall. This is actually a beer mac and cheese, and this should be good. Let's go ahead and get cooking. Start off by cooking up some bacon. Throw it in the oven. Once it's cooked up, place it aside and let it cool down. We'll be using this for later. In a pot, go ahead and boil some water. Throw a little salt, a little bit of olive oil in there, and boil your elbow macaroni. Once the macaroni is all cooked up, go ahead and place it aside, just like so. And you can use gluten-free or non-gluten-free elbow macaroni. In another pot, you're going to go ahead and throw your butter in. Medium heat, medium to medium low. Let that melt down. And we're going to add our beer soon. But Chef wants to show that we're using our classic hometown favorite, Jenny Light. We're not sponsored, but we're okay with that. Okay, so the butter's been melted down. We're going to go ahead and throw some flour in there. Stir this around. And then very slowly pour in that beer. Don't forget, down below will be all the ingredients. You can also substitute with water if you would like to. Go ahead now and pour some milk in there and keep stirring right over that medium heat. Where'd that beer go? Oh, Chef's using it. Chef, how many times are you going to make me say this in your video? Please drink responsibly. Next up, go ahead and add your sharp cheddar cheese. This is shredded. And we're going to, again, continually stir this around until that cheese is nice and melted. Everything looks nice and creamy right around now. Looking beautiful, Chef. Okay, next up, add a little smoked paprika. Stir that around. And then just a pinch of salt and pepper as well. Once your seasonings have been stirred around, we're going to kind of start to put this together. So, Chef took about half the macaroni, and he's going to put a little bit of the cheese in there. You want to kind of do this in sections. You don't want to do too much. So, maybe half your macaroni, a little bit of the cheese, stir it around. Add more macaroni, add more cheese sauce, keep stirring. Take your time, go slow. Everything looks great and according to plan. So the bacon should be all cooled down. Chef just went ahead and broke that apart into some pieces, because what he's going to do next is he's going to put that bacon right in there and mix this around one more time. You're going to want to make sure you have a oven-safe cooking dish, just like so. Chef has. He went and sprayed it with some non-cooking spray, and he's just going to put his mac and cheese mixture right in there. This is about a 9 by 13 dish pan. Go ahead and smooth it out, just like so. And then in a side dish, he's got some Panko breadcrumbs, some sliced green onions, and he's going to go ahead and throw a little bit of olive oil in there. And you're going to add enough olive oil just to make it a nice mixture. Not too much, but just enough to kind of hold it all together. Once that's set, Chef's just going to sprinkle that crumb right on top. And you can use gluten-free Panko breadcrumbs. They do sell them. So this whole thing could be gluten-free. Oven is at 375 degrees. You're going to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes. Here's what it looks like. Golden brown, of course. Looks delicious. And we're going to get a little side shot. So Chef went ahead and put some more green onions on top as some garnish. And of course, Chef's going to go ahead and dish this up to give us a full view. And there you have it. So another mac and cheese dish on the books. This is like our fifth or sixth. I don't even know. Fourth, fifth, sixth. We've had a lot out there, but we love making these, and it's definitely an amazing fall dish. So we hope definitely if you're new, subscribe, stick around. We hope you're enjoying our dishes. And everyone, please make sure you're having a fun and safe fall and Halloween season. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.